as I was saying before I was really interrupted by my selfish wife. What's up, guys? Alright, so coming at you another day, another video, and like I had said in the last one or one of the other ones or some other video other than this one, I have some goodies coming to the channel. So Tuesday there is going to be a delivery made, and I'm keeping that a secret, but today I'm going to pick something up. If you know me, you may have guessed, and if I decide to put it in as a title, you may already know. But we're on our way to pick it up. Something has came to my attention that I did not know existed. It is a good deal, and so we're getting it. So I just thought I'd bring you guys along and share the experience, because I know how excited you guys are for new things coming to the ClutchKickerNation garage, because I am super stoked. I hope you're super stoked. My wife over here is super stoked. She's the chauffeur for the day. She's taking me to pick it up. If that gives you a hint, maybe it does, maybe it doesn't. I needed someone to drive me, who knows? Anyways, I will catch you guys when I get there. Oh guys, we're like 2 miles away. I'm super excited. The anticipation is killing me. There's a stop sign coming. Hopefully my wife stops, because I'd hate to be the way to go out right now when I'm about to go get something new. Either way, stay tuned. We're almost there. All right, guys. The moment has come. We have arrived. We are pulling into the driveway now. So, I'm not gonna show you what it is just yet, and what we are here to get, but there is a beautiful husky here.
Look how
now we'll show you that.
Cute. Look how stinking cute.
Look at the beautiful, majestic husky.
Will he move?
It's so cute. All right, guys, so I'm here, and I'm picking up something, and you may hear it, you may not, but knowing me, it's a car. So, here it is. I'd mentioned I might be looking into getting an Integra, and I found one. Actually, it found me. Keep making fun of me. Alright guys, so this thing's dirty. It needs a little love. It's been sitting quite a while, but it fired right up. We're gonna get it home, we're gonna do some work, we're gonna get it all churched up. I'll talk about it all later and tell you the specs when I get it home, so I'll see you there. Alright guys, so we are in my new Integra. And it's a barn find. It's been sitting for a little while. It's dirty, it's filthy, it needs cleaned up, but it is my Integra. So I'm waiting on my wife because she's gonna follow me home. We kind of have expired plates, and it hasn't really been driven in a while, so it's a little bit, you know, a little bit sketch, but we'll get her home. Ooh, what's that over there? What is that? What is that? Oh yeah. All right, let me get this home, because I'm gonna want to pay attention and everything like that, and then we'll go over everything. All right. All right, guys, so we got home and everything like that, and I know I probably shouldn't and everything, but I kind of want to take my wife on just a quick drive down the road and just surprise her and let her see the new car, because it's gonna be the new addition to the channel and to the garage and everything. So here we go.
like a cameraman at all. I'm too wobbly. Oh, jeez. She'd be like, who the fuck is this outside my house?
Well, that's ClutchKickerNation.
Hey.
But she rips, so fuck it, she rips. So, yeah. We'll be back. Alright guys, so I've parked the car for the night and everything like that, and I'm just going to give you a brief overview of the vehicle and everything like that. So, I've kind of been tossing the idea around about getting an Integra instead of the Civic. I like the Civic and everything. It's pretty clean. It actually looks really nice and everything. But I've had a Civic before. I've had other Civics. My buddy has this Integra. Robbie, you know him. He was in one of the videos where he did the valve lash. A nice white Integra 2-door GSR with the Type R front end and everything like that. And I really love the car. And I kind of wanted something different, so I've been kind of tossing around the idea of getting one. And my buddy came to me at work, was like, hey, I got this car, maybe you could fix up, I could try to sell. I was like, what kind of car is it? He's like, oh, it's a 97 Integra. I was like, really? So it was just in the cards. I couldn't say no. And especially once he told me what it was. So, this is my new 1997 Integra LS with a B20 swap and a Greddy turbo kit. It's been sitting for a little while, you know, whatever, but we're gonna clean her up, and everything runs good for sitting. You know, it needs dialed. There's some issues, a little bit of breakup here and there. I think it has to do with these crappy connectors that look like how they adapted the fuel injector plugs and everything. So all that's, I'm gonna redo that. I'm gonna obviously, you know, be cleaning up. You know, it has old school MSD. This is very old school type setup and everything like that. I was really surprised, but it has like MSD ignition, MSD coil, distributor cap, everything like that. But it's very nice. It's got like a stage 3 clutch. It's very grabby. Yeah, so it actually is pretty quick. I did a couple rips, as you've seen with my wife, and yeah, I was really surprised. Oh, I locked it. But you know, it's got air fuel gauge, it's got a EO1 Greddy turbo boost gauge and boost controller. And yeah, so this is the meat and potatoes. This is what really attracted me to the car, was that a B20 swap with a Greddy turbo kit. Now, down the road, I may be pulling this for a D series. We'll see. I've never really been a B series guy, but it's in here, and I think it'll be a great car for now until I decide what I want to do, because I have a couple D series and everything like that. But we'll give the B series a shot. We'll see how I like it. I've always wanted a single cam big turbo build. I got the custom rods for it and everything, and for the, you know, I wanted to do a Vitara setup. But we're gonna rock this. We're gonna clean her up. We're gonna, you know, we're gonna go through the brakes. We're gonna go through the suspension. I want to get power steering working. It has no power steering and stuff. So yeah, I'm kind of just rambling and everything, but that's the car. So welcome it to the channel. This is gonna be a daily / just fun car. It's gonna replace the Civic. We're gonna slowly get this thing operational. In the meantime, we got to get the Civic ready to be sold, so it's gonna be cleaning it up. I'm gonna be putting a window regulator in it, and just doing some things to get it ready to be sold. I'm gonna front and rear lip kit I'm gonna put on it. Just I want the next owner to you know, basically get a nice car. So I want to clean it up, make it look nice and everything. And basically, in my eyes, when I sell it, I won't be making profit or anything. I'm just going to be kind of trading that car for this car. And then we'll start cleaning this car up in between the drift car build and stuff like that, just to get it to daily driver status. So yeah, that's going to wrap this video up. I just want to show you guys my new toy and the new addition to the channel. You know, I'm not the biggest Honda guy, but I am a Honda guy, and you know, I think this will bring me lots of smiles, because it's turbocharged, it's fun. You know, those days where I just like kind of down whatever I can get in, listen to some turbo noises and stuff, and it's just something different than what I already have, you know. So I'm really excited. I hope you guys are excited. There will be some stuff. We will definitely be using this to make videos. There'll be some good content on cleaning it up, rewiring the injectors, going through the brakes, going through suspension, you know, just trying to see what it needs. It is a 97, like I said. It has 102,000 miles on the chassis. He's had it for about 5 years or so, and it's been sitting a good portion. He drove it for a while, and then it started breaking up and stuff, and then he parked it. And basically, he just decided he didn't want a project car anymore. He grew up a little bit, and he just got himself a normal type car that, you know, everybody else would have. And, you know, he just basically was like, hey, it's time to get rid of it. And I picked it up. So now it's my project car, and the Clutch Kicker Nation is going to sprinkle its magic and see what we can do with it. So stay tuned for more content. Please like, share, subscribe to the video, and I will see you in the next one. Later!